In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the button widget in Elementor to create interactive buttons for your website. First, open your page in Elementor and drag the button widget onto the canvas. You'll see it appear right where you want it on your page. Now, let's customize it. In the Content tab, you can change the text of your button. For example, you could write "Subscribe now," "Download," or "Start your free trial." Next, add the link where you want people to go when they click the button. You can also choose whether the link opens in a new window or add a nofollow tag if you need it. If you want, you can add an icon to your button. Click the Icon field, pick an icon from the library, or upload your own SVG image. You can also decide if the icon should be on the left or right of the text and adjust the spacing so it looks just right. To make your button look even better, go to the Style tab. Here, you can change the button size by adjusting the padding, pick colors, add gradients, and make it stand out on your page. You can even assign a unique button ID if you want to track clicks with Google Analytics or Metapixel. Buttons aren't just decorative, they guide your visitors to take action. You can create buttons for downloads, signups, social media links, or even special offers. Once you're happy, just hit Update and your button is ready to go live. And that's how you use the button widget in Elementor to make your website more engaging. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful Elementor tutorials.